In this video, I'll show you how to fix Windows security errors. If you are getting errors like your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this app or page not available and you cannot access your Windows security app, I'll show you a few methods that will most likely fix the issue. Let's get started. For the first method, we're going to download the Microsoft Security Help file from the Microsoft forum or on this video's descriptions. Unzip it, right-click on it, and run as an administrator. Once you do that, restart your computer for the changes to take effect and see if it has resolved your issue. Method 2, PowerShell. Right-click on your Start button, click on Terminal Admin, copy and paste the following command, which you can find in the video's descriptions, and press Enter. This will repair Windows apps and Windows Defender. Once the command finishes executing, close the PowerShell, restart Windows, and check to see if the issue has been resolved. Method 3, Registry Editor. Open the Registry Editor from the taskbar by typing regedit, then select Run as an Administrator. Copy and paste the following path. Right-click on the Windows Defender and select Delete. If it doesn't work the first time, try again until it's deleted. Close the Registry Editor and restart your PC and check if the issue has been resolved. Method 4, Group Policy. Open the Group Policy Editor by right-clicking on the Windows icon and select Run. Then you need to type gpedit.msc. Now, if you are using a Windows Home Edition, you'll need to enable the Group Policy Editor. I left a link for a video on how to do that. We will delete the Windows Defender records. First, click on the Computer Configuration, then expand Administrative Templates. Inside this, expand Windows Components and look for Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Click on Windows Defender. In the right pane, double-click on the Allow Anti-Malware Services to start up with normal priority and ensure this setting is disabled. Click Apply, then OK. Next, double-click on Turn off Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Select Disable, then click on Apply and OK. Click on the Client Interface, then double-click on Enable Headless UI Mode. Once you're done, return to the left panel, minimize Windows Defender Antivirus, and scroll down to find Windows Security. Expand it, then click on Virus and Threat Protection. In the right pane, double-click on the Hide the Virus and Threat Protection area and disable it. Click Apply, then OK. Close the Group Policy Editor. Right-click on the Start button and select Terminal Admin. In the PowerShell, type GPU date /force and press Enter. Now this will force an update of all the policies changes you made in the Group Policy Editor. Once the computer policy update has completed successfully, restart your computer and check if the issue has been resolved. Method 5, PowerShell commands. Next, right-click on your Start button and select Terminal Admin. Now run the following 10 commands by copying and pasting one by one. If you see an error after executing any of them, just continue. Once all are executed, close the PowerShell, restart your PC, and check to see if the issue has been resolved. Method 6, right-click on the Start button, click on Settings, Then click on Apps on the left panel, then Installed Apps, scroll all the way down, and click on System Components. Here you'll find the Windows Security app. Click on the three dots icon, then Advanced Options, and make sure that the background component permission is not set to Never. Scroll down and click on Terminate, then Repair, then Reset. Once done, check to see if the issue has been resolved. And I hope one of these solutions has resolved your issue. Please let us know which one worked for you, if any, and don't forget to like and subscribe.